This is Switchblade, Venom, the leader of the bad guys, Miles Mayhem as the pilot. Oops. And this is Miles Mayhem. He has a twin, but this is from the season 1. So the main bad guy is Miles Mayhem. And this is his helmet. All the details are there for a very small figure. Really nice. All the paints are still there for a very old figure. Limited articulation, you can just revolve the arms around the shoulders and bend the knees. That's it. No other articulation. All you need to do is put the helmet on and he looks great, and then put him back in the cockpit and make him sit. For some reason, the show just makes you remember every single character's first and last name. Honda McLean, Miles Mayhem, Matt Tracker, Bruce Sato or Sato. Anyway, to convert this jet into a helicopter, there should be a lock here, but it's broken. But it's still fine with me. And then just flip this back piece, and this is the blades for the helicopter. Just pull it up and just put this back in. It's easy to put back in. There's just a hole there, and then it's just a Y-shaped thing that you put on. And then on the side here, there's a button that you press. This big button here. And when you press this, the blades will start spinning. The spring is still good for a very old figure. And then just put it back, flip it, and then flip the... This is like the missile launcher and converts as the helicopter landing leg or landing gear. What else? Stickers are still quite good. Not much damage on it. Just flip the blade and then lock the back piece. There should be a locking mechanism there. If you flip it, it will lock in the hole. Like I said, the wings should be folded and locked in place at the back. But the lock part is broken already, but it's still good. And that's mainly it. Really nice looking jet. A nice looking helicopter as well. There should be a missile here at the bottom, but it's gone as well. But it's okay. Not a big deal. Nostalgia factor is still priceless. Still really intact looking. Cockpit is color still good. All the stickers are intact. Not much damage, even on the top here. Seems like it wasn't really played with that much. And that's Switchblade, Venom, Miles Mayhem as the pilot. Like, share, and subscribe if you like the video, and thanks for watching.